Shane, are you still in this?
Yes.
We got this. We have to wait while we're waiting. We may as well look at the lizard.
Yeah.
Ready, go. Oh, God, Jill.
Oh.
So we should step back now.
Okay.
Here. No, you have to go back.
Oh yeah, we have to throw it back.
Oh, wait, we have to throw it back.
Throw it back.
They're not filled very much, so they don't really explode.
Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Go back. Go back, Rio.
Oh, God. Rio, help me. I don't think this is going to work out so great.
Here, Mom. Farther away.
No,
You
throw it to
wanna-
the ground.
Here, I'll throw it to
Oh, so to
Shane,
Rio.
This is to Rio, and then the next one will be to you. Wait.
We haven't lost
You
one.
see you guys come here.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Alex.
Hold on. Wait, Rio!
Oh, boy, I got lucky. Ready? Okay. Back to you, Jill.
Yeah! Okay. Get last.
Uh-oh. This is really bad. Whoa!
Oh, here, we'll try again.
Natalie, watch out.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
No.
It didn't explode.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, yes.
All right.
Alex, throw it overhand.
Overhand.
Whoa!
See, that's never happened to you.
That's not fair.
Here, Rio. Try again. Ow, that hurt.
Wait, Junior has one.
Oh,
Here, try
here.
again.
Here, I'll toss it. Whoa. Okay, Shane. This one's coming at you. Ready?
That's right at me.
Come on, Alex.
Shane, are you ready for this?
Here,
It's gonna be a
ready?
rainbow, okay?
Sorry.
Oh.
What did that for?
Okay, I'm
Nice
gonna throw it high up. So
Okay.
catch it like this.
Okay. Ready? Go for it.
Come on, Alex, throw it.
Oh, you got two-handed, huh?
Alex.
Double fisting. Oh, that's right at me! Why do you keep throwing them over there?
I don't know. What's with you?
Here.
Whoa.
Come on, Alex.
Yeah!
Nice going, Rio.
Whoa.
Close, Shane.
Oh, Rio, go! It's right there.
Okay.
Throw it to me.
All right.
Wait for
We're
it.
back here now.
Natalie, watch
Okay,
out.
we're by this last pillar.
Okay.
Okay.
Too far.
Sorry.
Hey.
Here,
Okay,
Alex.
they're just-
No, this is ours. This is
No,
ours.
it's mine.
Got a rainbow in.
Whoa.
Whoa. Good.
That's mine. Alex, throw it way up.
Rio! Oh, shoot.
Alex, throw it way up. Move it.
Over there. That sounds like it
No,
would
way
hurt.
up. No, way up.
Jill and I
Way
are
up.
very dainty. We don't want to get caught.
Here,
Alex. Come on, Alex.
I thought we went out there to toss it up in the airport.
I keep throwing them to Alex. Here, Rio.
Wait, why are you watching?
Gigi.
Mom.
These are you.
Here,
I'm
Gigi.
done. I'm
I
going
really don't think I see you do that. I'm gonna tell you.
What? I'm gonna get you. I was trying to catch the damn thing.
Here.
Shane, I see you cheating.
No. Is that possible?
Throw it.
You're cheating.
Why?
No, I'm gonna tell you this if you throw that at me.
Why?
Because he's biting holes in it so they explode on concrete.
Hey, Alex, come on, Alex.
Mom. I'm gonna throw one up really high.
Come on, Alex. Come on, Beagle.
I'll throw it up. Hey, Pop, quiet. One of you guys gotta catch it. Stay right there.
It's only fair if you get a chance to do it.
Okay,
Come
Gigi.
on.
you guys ready?
Come. It's time to get out of here. Time to leave.
Real, get loaded!
My teammates are crazy.
Move it, suckers!
I really suck at this game. Yeah, you do. I'm trying to get to their balloons. Oh, she got it. Oh, man. That's lame.
Yours, what? That's ours!
Go to safety.
Kelly, toss me one.
We got it! We
I
got
really,
it!
actually suck at this game.
Digging
Yeah.
Now?
I have no sense of strategy. Alright, I'm out.
You're making a mistake!
Get it, Rio, get it!
Give me
Get out!
shields.
Get Alex! Okay, alright, now before we do any more, you gotta pick up all the little balloony things. So the birds can ingest them and they can die. So you can't leave them there.
Oh God, Shane's got the hose.
No, Shane, please don't do that. I know what's going to happen.
We have to pick up all of these pieces?
No, we don't.
It won't take that long.
See ya!
Rio, can you help pick up the pieces?
No!
Just help. Nobody said you had to pick them all up.
Shane, turn it to the right.
To the right, Shane.
Go right this way!
God.
Can't believe you picked me.
He ran out of balloons and bit you.
I can't believe I splatted it all on you! I think I win.
I think we all lose.
Did you hear a story?
What?
I splattered it all on you. I think I win.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Just remember, for everyone you don't pick up, if a bird accidentally eats it, it'll die. So we don't want to kill birds.
Kill birds!
No, we don't want to be bird killers. Guilt them into it.
Yeah.